Coloring is a great activity. It's wonderful that through the process of drawing and coloring, the learning about things around us does not only become joyful, but also triggers our mind to think creatively. Find free downloadable coloring pages in our description. Print out the coloring pages on a thick paper. Grab Artistro watercolors and paint pens to make some magic. Did you know that coloring develops color recognition, self-expression, motor skills, and confidence? For this tutorial, we will use the Artistro standard watercolor paint set. Our Artistro watercolor set contains everything to start painting right now. Today, we will be coloring a matcha chai latte drink with a cake. Let's start! Use a single green color and just keep gradually adding water to dilute it. This way, you get a gradient. Color the rest of the subjects in the gradient technique according to the shape. Color the cup with the sienna color and add shadows with brown. Add transparency to the cup cap by adding light blue shadows. Add shades to the cake plate and some color to the straw. Add some details and accents with Artistro extra fine tipped paint pens. Do you like coloring? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more fun tutorials from Artistro.